flip mode, flip mode, flip mode, flip mode. Let's go, let's go. Yeah.
What's good, everybody? I'm Andre Dior. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm the king of all of the madness, and if this is your first time ever seeing my face, subscribe. Don't even watch this video and not even subscribe, because that's mad disrespectful. Click that button and subscribe, because if you don't, it's shady. So now that you've subscribed, today I will be doing my first shoe review, and not just any shoe, my first luxury shoe. I will be reviewing what I got for my birthday. I recently turned 22. Scorpio gang, we still in here, and I think we got what, 1 or 2 more days left of Scorpio season. Comment down below if you're Scorpio too. Boom, let me stop talking. Coming, the Question Louboutin. This is the box. Like, I'm just excited holding the box, and we didn't even start the video yet, but I'm so excited, guys. This is the box. The glare of my lights. Okay. I'm gonna open them and show y'all the shoe. Y'all already know what it come with the Question Louboutin. Y'all already know how that does that. Come with the dust bag or whatever. Your receipts and spikes and all of that extra stuff. The most important part of the video. The infamous Question Louboutin. The bottom. Okay? Okay. So there's them. I am so excited. I got mine in a size 43, which is a Europe 10. Allegedly, because in Balenciaga's and like Giuseppe's, I wear 42, which is weird, but in Christian Louboutins, because they run very small, I had to get a 43. These are them. And I just love them so much. Like, they're a statement piece. You walk into the spot, everybody like, yo, who is that? And yo, your shoes is popping. I've got like a million compliments on them. I just love them. Like, these are like my prized possessions. Like, I baby these. Y'all don't understand. The infamous Question Louboutin. It's on the inside. I got the tissue paper still in them. These are the Christian Louboutins, Louis flat. I'll put all the information below in the link to them. Now, the most important part, people are probably like, how much are they? Like, stop talking about them. How much they cost? They're $12.90. I know, but it's an investment piece. These later on, like if you want to sell them or pawn them or whatever, like they're gonna, the resale, like the value for them goes up. Like they don't decrease like a Birkin bag. Like it's an investment, kind of like a Rolex. Like a Rolex goes up in value. So yeah, these are them. And I'm gonna also give y'all some on feet footage. Stay tuned for the next clip. Okay?
El latido de Nora.
Thank you if you stayed to the end of this video. That was the end of my video. I will be back with way more reviews, tutorials, story times, and advice videos. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you thought about the video. Comment down below what you think of the shoes. Comment what do you want to see me do next in my next YouTube video. And I love all of you guys for watching. Andre Army, thank you for still holding it down All of my social media and social networks will be below, and so will the link to the shoes to purchase them. And see you in my next video. Oh, bye.